Okay, so let's do a review here. I bought this online. It's a HD recorder, motorcycle recorder with DVR. I've got it all mounted. Looks pretty good, I think. Let's see if we can get you a good shot of that. Right there. And got it all wired in the trunk. So you can see. And this is the brand that comes with 2 cameras. The cat, no, just joking. And another camera under there. I'll try to get you a good view of it. You can see it. So it's supposed to give us a good wide angle, good view. Hopefully you can hear me. And then there's the monitor. We're gonna set it up to where it will hopefully fold down on the back of the seat right there so you can review your ride. And also it has a memory card, and we're gonna see how well it does.